Hi everyone, it's Jody with Inspiring Joy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make some pumpkin muffins. So I found this pumpkin muffin mix. It's either pumpkin muffin or pumpkin bread. I found this at a local store. It's by Simple Mills. So it is a brand that we really like here in our home, and not one that's sponsored here on my video, but it is one that we really like. It's pretty clean in terms of the ingredients, actually very clean. So we really appreciate that. Okay, so I'm going to follow the recipe on the back of the box. There's an option for muffins and an option for loaf. I'm going to choose the option for muffins and go through the steps that are on the box. And then at the end of the video, once they're finished, we'll see how they taste. The recipe calls for 3 eggs and a half a cup of water and a 1/3 cup of oil. So if you get this mix, follow the recipe on the back. That's what I'm doing, and let's get started. First, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Next, I'm going to mix in eggs, water, and oil. From here, I'm going to whip up these ingredients, and then I'll add the baking mix. So now I'm going to line my pans, my muffin tins, with these paper cups. I prefer these because they're unbleached. I like this brand. You can use whatever you'd like. I just happened to pick up this brand, which I really like. So now let me put the baking cups into the pan. Okay, so now we have our batter in our muffin tins in the paper cups. The oven is on, it's preheating. I am at 345 degrees currently, and it needs to go to 350. So we're almost there. So once it's preheated, I will put the muffin tins into the oven, set the timer for, it says 20 minutes, and then we'll pull them out. Now that the muffins are in the oven baking, I'm going to make some tea to have with the muffins once they come out of the oven. So thank you everyone for joining me in this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And the pumpkin spice muffins were amazing. And I asked John, my husband, to join me and taste one. So he'll tell you what he thinks. Thumbs up, I think.
Fantastic.
So whether it's making something in the kitchen for you and your family or your friends, or just taking a little time for yourself, I'm enjoying your day and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Bye.